What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We got another unboxing video. I wonder what's in this box. Looks nice and hefty. We're gonna open this up. Boom. Let's see. I think we might have something pretty cool. Do you have your driver's license? I don't think you'll need it. But here's the big unboxing, and what do we got here? We got a pretty cool little remote car. Now this is fun. If you're a kid, I'm not gonna lie, I'm an adult, it's still fun. Don't ever forget about your inner child and don't ever stop having fun. But what's it going to be all about? Well, we are going to see. This is going to be very, very interesting to see what's going on right here. All right, so we got a nice, actually, after the sale service card. Contact us when you need. We got the little email here. Got the press for 3 seconds, you know how this works. Remote control battery, got all the instructions, which we do need. And voila, we're gonna pull out the big guns here. All right, so what do we got? We got a little car here. Pulling this guy out. We even got some tools. Very cool. Style is retro. Look at this thing. This is pretty cool. This is, you can tell this is actually really well built. We got the wheels moving a little bit. And what we got here? We got the little controller pad on and off. Now we do need some batteries for this bad boy, and we can see the battery pack right here in the back. So just gonna pop this open and see what it looks like. All right, and we just need to put some AA's in here and we'll be good to go. That's how easy and cool this is. So that's what comes with this. We got the nice little thing I can play around with, and we got the remote control. I got another box here. What is in this other box? Hey, we got another buddy right here. We're doing 2 unboxings for the price of 1. That's a Yes Epic Yes. In my opinion, that's 2 Yes Epic Yeses. That's Yes Epic squared. The epicness is too much for me to handle, but I think you can handle it. Or you can just, if it's not, you can have one of these monster trucks just run it over. Make sure to get your CDL first. So boom. Boom, and we are almost ready. Who's ready for the monster truck? Look at this beautiful guy. Boom. This one is a big boy. We upgraded, son. Look at this. Look how awesome this looks. So we got this guy. We got this guy. I'm gonna be rolling. We got the little remote control here. This one's interesting. On and off switch. And the battery pack on this one is down here. Like that. So, just pop this open. And this also needs some AA's. So actually, we got this. We're rolling with both of these guys. This is very cool. I'm giving these, my trucks right here, a big yes. Epic yes. Drive safely.
Girls with the